Alright, quick video how to calibrate your fish seeker straight out of the box. I'm presuming you've already put the app in, so this is going to be on the app. Turn your app on, of course have Bluetooth on, and of course put location access on. Okay, turn your location on, yes, go back out of there, make sure your Bluetooth's on, so your location's on, Bluetooth's on. Now when you go into settings, we want to go calibrate. Okay, and you'll see there start calibration. Do exactly what that picture's showing. So it's showing us, make sure I spin around this way. So you see there it's showing us to spin it from forwards to back and then do a barrel roll, and now we're doing from a north, west, south and east. You see that? So forwards to back flip and then a barrel roll. It's exactly what we're going to do here, okay? So we're going to press start and do exactly what it shows. Now if you're not connected, make sure you are connected by Bluetooth, select your fish seeker. To double check that you are connected, just do an open of the hatch and then you do a close of the hatch, so you know it's connected, it's all ready to go. Alright, so now we're going to here, into your settings at the top again, and you want to go to calibrate compass and do exactly that. Okay, so forwards to back, just one, just do it once, and then the barrel roll, just do it once, and then the north to west to south to east, just once. Then lay it on the ground on a flat surface. Alright, now I normally actually do this so it ends up pointing in similar direction I'm going. Don't know if that's important, but that's how I set mine up. Okay, so start calibration. Now you hear that, now we start calibrating. You hear that, just done 3 revs. That was just 3 revs to say it's completed. Calibration complete. Now the calibration's done, now this is where your navigation comes in. So this wheel in here, press on that, and you'll see there, point the fish seeker in the direction you want to go. So what you want to do is lay this on a flat ground, or you can be holding it, and just point that in the direction that you want it to go when it's going out to sea. Okay, so I wanted to set it about that direction. So we're going to press continue, and then you'll hear it. Okay, all done. Okay, so my timer is on 6 minutes. So now all you got to do is walk up to the water, press play. As soon as you press play, the motor's going to go. And if you haven't got it in the water by a certain amount of time, it will turn off. But anyway, just press the play button and try and time it right. Don't drop your phone in the water. Anyway, best luck. Have fun fishing. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. If you want a bit of a longer video to actually set up the app and where to get it from, watch the video similar to this. I'll put a wee link at the end of this video for it. Okay, enjoy the fishing.